Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. So at first open your Facebook apps, click on to three line or menu option. This method will be work any Android and iOS at the same process. Click on setting icon or settings and privacy. Press on settings. Click on see more in account center. Scroll down, then showing you to account option. Just press on, then showing you to your all connected account, showing you to my Instagram. Just press on to remove and click on continue, and yes, finally remove. Okay, that's it.